Have you ever felt like you're working in the same classroom but not really working together? The teacher is teaching, you are supporting, but somehow it feels disconnected. Or worse, tense. Maybe you have thought, should I step in here? Am I overstepping? Why does this feel so hard when we are on the same team? Is the truth. Most shadow teacher and classroom teacher partnerships don't fail because of lack of effort. They fail because no one was ever taught how to collaborate. And that's exactly what we are fixing today. Hi, I am Namita, counseling psychologist and expressive arts practitioner, and this is your Shadow Teacher series on Educateable. In today's episode, we are talking about something that can completely change your classroom experience: how to build real, effective partnerships with classroom teachers. Because when this works, the child thrives, the classroom flows, and your role becomes so much more impactful. In this video, I'll walk you through why partnerships often break down, the three key ingredients of strong collaboration, what to actually say in real classroom moments, how to handle disagreements without conflict, and simple expressive arts tool to build connection as a team. Let's get into it. Why partnerships often fail? Let's start with honesty. Most partnerships don't fail because people don't care. They fail because of unclear roles and silent assumptions. Here are the most common breakdowns I see. Role confusion. Is the shadow teacher assisting the child or the whole class? Is the teacher expecting independence or constant support? No one clarifies this. 2. Lack of communication. Everything becomes reactive instead of planned. Small issues build up. 3. Power dynamics. One feels like they must not interfere. The other feels observed or judged. And here's the big one. 4. No shared understanding of the child. You're both working with the same child, but sometimes you're working from completely different perspectives. Teacher says he needs to focus more. Shadow teacher says he's overwhelmed and dysregulated. Both are valid, but without alignment, it creates friction. The three key ingredients for successful collaboration. 1. Clarity over assumption. You don't need perfect systems, you need clear expectations. Simple questions like, when would you like me to step in? What does independence look like for you in this class? 2. Constant communication. Not long meetings, just small regular check-ins. Even 2 minutes after class can change everything. 3. Shared goal for the child. Not control, not compliance. A shared understanding like we are helping this child feel safe enough to learn. Because when the goal is shared, the approach becomes flexible. Practical communication scripts. Let's make this real. Here are simple scripts you can actually use. Situation 1. You are unsure when to step in. Instead of staying silent, would you prefer I support immediately in those moments or give him some time first? Situation 2. You notice the child is overwhelmed. Instead of correcting in the moment, I noticed he seemed a bit overwhelmed during that activity. Would it help if I try a regulation strategy next time? Situation 3. You need alignment. Can we take 5 minutes sometime to align on what support looks like this week? Situation 4. Teacher perspective. If you are a teacher watching this, I really value what you are noticing about the child. Let's figure out a consistent approach together. Notice something? These are not confrontational, they are collaborative. That's the shift. Handling disagreements respectfully. Let's be real. You will disagree at times, and that's okay. What matters is how you handle it. Step 1. Pause the moment. Not everything needs to be solved in class. Step 2. Name the shared goal. We both want him to participate more comfortably. Step 3. Offer, not oppose. Instead of that won't work, try. Can we try one small adjustment and see how he responds? This keeps dignity intact for both sides. Expressive arts tools for team connection. Now here's something most people don't expect. You can actually use expressive arts to strengthen your professional partnership. 1. 2-minute scribble reset for adults. Before or after a tough day, both of you take 30 seconds to scribble how the day felt. Then share one word. No analysis, just expression. 2. Color check-in. What color did today feel like for you? It sounds simple, but it opens emotional awareness without pressure. 3. Shared reflection card. Once a week. What worked this week? What can we adjust next week? These are not therapy sessions. They are small human moments that build trust. And trust is what makes collaboration sustainable. Real classroom examples. Example 1. What didn't work? A shadow teacher constantly prompted a child during class. The teacher felt interrupted. The shadow teacher felt unappreciated. They never discussed expectations. Result? frustration on both sides. Example 2, what worked? Another team started with just one conversation. When do you want support and when should I hold back? They agreed on signals. Within weeks, the child became more independent, the classroom flow improved, and both adults felt respected. Same intention, different outcome because of communication. If you take nothing else from this video, start here. 1. Ask one clarifying question this week instead of assuming. 2. Set up a 2-minute check-in after class. 3. Use one collaborative script from this video. 4. Pause disagreements and revisit them later. 5. Try one expressive check-in tool to build connection. Small shifts, big impact. Here's the core message. You're not just supporting a child, you're a part of a team. And when that team works well together, the child doesn't just cope, they thrive. This week, choose just one thing from this video and try it. That's how change begins. If this helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone working in a classroom. And if you want my free collaboration checklist, comment partner below. I'll share something practical you can start using immediately. Also, check out the full Shadow Teacher playlist linked in the description for more support like this. I'll see you in the next episode.